नमस्ते स्टूडेंट, खुश रहो बिटिया। आई जेवियन डॉक्टर नीलम चक्रवर्ती फ्रॉम ज्योति विद्यापीठ वोमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी जयपुर, असिस्टेंट प्रोफेसर इन मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट in Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University Jaipur. In today's sessions we are going about discuss the value. In this subject our topic definition of value and importance of value and characteristics of value. So let's start the topic. Discuss the value. Value. What is the value? Value defined is an organization behavior as the collective and conceptions of what is the considered and good, desirable and proper or bad, and undesirable and improper in a culture. Some common business value are fairness and innovations and community involvement. The value are socially approved and desires and goals that are internalized and through the process of conducting concerning and the learning or socializations, and that the become an effective performance and standards. And values are ideas of the mind of men and compared to the norms that they specific and how people and should behave, and values also attach and degree of goodness to activities and relationships. Now, according to the value are an integral part of the personal philosophy of the life, and by which we generally mean the system of the values of which we live, the philosophy of life, and includes our aims, ideas and manner of thinking, and the principles by which we guide our behavior. Now, value are consequence and consequence motivators and justified of the actions and judgments. A value share the ideas about how something is ranked in terms of disability, worth or goodness, and sometimes it has been interrupted to men and such standards by means of which the ends of the actions are selected. Thus, the values are collective and conceptions of what is considered good. Now, and describe and proper or bad and undesirable and improper in a culture. The familiar examples for the values are wealth and loyalty and independence, equality and justice and friendness. The these are generalized ends. Consultancies on the help up to individuals as being worth and while in them. It is not easy to clearly the fundamentals and values of given society and because of their free birth. Now, values generally have used terms. Generally, value has been taken to mean and moral ideas and general conceptions or orientations and towards the world or sometimes and simply interested and attitude performance and needs situations and dispositions, but sociologists and use these terms is in a more precise and the sense to the mean and the generalized in which has the connections of rightness and goodness. Now, and it is the important and lasting beliefs or ideals and shared by the members of a culture and about what is or bad and describable undescribable, and it has a major influence on a person and behavior and attitude and serves guidelines in all situations. And actually the value represents and basic conventions that are a specific mode of conduct or ends and or end state to existence is personally or socially and perfectible to opposites or converse and mode of the conduct or end state of existence. Now discuss the values and values behavior. The behavior of the values and values are a set of principles and that peoples and they enhance the quality of individuals and collective life. They involve personal and community and discipline and sacrifice of the immediate and gratifications needs, and quality of the life is a product of physical, social, environmental and mental and social and health and the and wholeness. Values refers to the nature and worth, and they are the beliefs that guide an individual's actions, and they represent a person's and beliefs and about what it is right or wrong, and values lay standards and agents which behavior is judged that determine the overall personality of an individual and the organization he is working for, his familiar and peer group and educational institutions and environment and the workplace develop values in him, and values supply to individuals and institutions, both business and non-business, and discuss the value and behavior. Value remains embedded in our minds since and childhoods. As children, we are taught and what is good and bad, right or wrong by parents. And educational institutions are social groups, and these values become part of our behavior and personality when we grow up and are transmitted to future and generation, thus and creating a healthy society. In business world, and every person and whether manage or non-managers, manager and non-managers, and whose behavior is values based on shape the culture of the organizations. Organization is a group of people and responsible for its formations, serve and growth, and how goods and organizations is depends upon how good are the people and managing it. Now, good people are those and whose actions and behavior are based on the sound and value system and ethical principles. Value system is a combination of all values and that an individuals and should have values lay foundations for organization success, and they develop the attitudes and perceptions and motives that shape the behavior of people working in the organizations. This develops a sound and organizations cultures and that promotes image of the organizations in the society. Values in the individuals and develop a values based organization and society, nations and the world as a whole. Now, thank you. This session is powered by Jayoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, and we will discuss the problem solving. Thank you.